Hey guys, it's Doug from Mustang Brothers. We got a future project here. This is going to be my daughter's car. I believe it's a 94. It came with the 5.0 in it. We got put a motor in it. Got some interior stuff to do to it. It's going to be next project while I'm waiting to get parts for my car. I'll give you a little walk around of it, see what you guys think. So, nothing real fancy, just a GT. We got some different headlights for it, some different taillights for it. It's dirty right now, but daughter's getting ready to start driving. I want to start getting it put together and cleaned up for her. Real good shape for the most part. It's going to need some interior. This interior's seen better days. Cobwebs and stuff we gotta clean out. It's been sitting for a little bit now. But overall, not too bad. Like I said, got some different taillights and stuff for it. Body's in real good shape. And then another project, if we can get my brother on the ball. He's got this Cobra here. This one's pretty good shape. Needs some work. Got the motor sitting down in it. Still got to change the dash and wire harness and stuff. If I can get him motivated to help me, it might help him. This could be another project that we can get going relatively quick. And you got a bunch of parts in there, extra parts. He's got to fix his tail light. He had a good original light here until it got busted. These are a couple of the projects that we'll probably be having. Speak of the brother, he pulls up as of now.